In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation or ensuring accessibility for all, adding alt text is crucial for making your content universally understandable. Let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this quickly and efficiently. First and foremost, you'll need to open your web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft PowerPoint and hit Enter. This search will provide you with links to access PowerPoint. Go ahead and click on the official Microsoft PowerPoint link to launch the application. Once the site is open and you're greeted with the familiar interface, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Please enter your details to proceed or create an account if you haven't already done so. With your account set up and logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, where you can either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Let's say you already have a presentation in mind that you want to work on. Click to open that particular PowerPoint file, and in moments, you will see your slides displayed neatly within the workspace. Now, identify the specific slide and image for which you want to add alt text. Once you locate the image, simply right-click on it. A context menu will appear, offering a list of options related to the image. Look carefully to find the alt text option in this menu and select it. This action will open the alt text pane on the right side of your screen, providing a dedicated space for you to enter a description of the image. In the text box that appears, type a brief but descriptive explanation of the image. This description should capture the essence of what the image portrays for those who might not be able to see it. It's important to be to the point, yet comprehensive. If the image is purely decorative and doesn't convey essential information, you can opt to check the Mark as Decorative box. This selection tells screen readers to ignore the image and disables the text field, leaving more room for substantive content. Once you've entered the alt text, there's no extra step needed for saving. PowerPoint automatically saves your changes as you make them, so you can either close the alt text pane or click anywhere else on the slide to continue editing your presentation. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to add alt text to images in PowerPoint. With this skill in your toolkit, you're ensuring that your presentations are welcoming and accessible to everyone, making a more inclusive experience for all your audience members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos for more helpful tips and tricks for mastering PowerPoint.